It's almost impossible to avoid stress. It's everywhere, in the office, at home, and every time you go out. Anxiety is a common ailment these days, and some people struggle with a headache on a daily basis. How do you handle your anxiety? Some drink a cup of coffee, others light up a cigarette, and some drink wine, whiskey. These habits provide a temporary solution, but the problem is still here. Have you ever considered using essential oils to treat your problem? Lavender oil has over 150 active compounds, and it's an excellent antidepressant, anti-inflammatory agent and sedation agent. Studies have shown that lavender essential oil works great in the treatment of many conditions. It shows great results when used as a remedy for insomnia, alopecia, anxiety, stress and postoperative pain. Lavender has been examined for its antibacterial and antiviral effect, as reported by the University of Maryland Medical Center. A study conducted at the University of Florida confirmed that lavender oil treats anxiety and lowers pulse rates. Surgery patients were treated with lavender-based aromatherapy, and it helped them reduce their stress levels before the surgery. Use lavender oil to sleep better, and neutralizes the negative effect of stress. We give you some of the benefits provided by lavender essential oil. Increases pain tolerance in both children and adults. It shows great results in women who struggle with depression and anxiety when receiving dialysis treatment. Olfactory administration of lavender oil reduces anxiety and increases alertness. Lavender essential oil improves mood and provides healthy work environment in hospitals. Reduces stress and anxiety levels in patients treated in intensive care unit. We suggest that you try lavender lemonade. It's easy to make and will do wonders for your body. Lavender lemonade relieves numerous conditions, and we give you some of them. Inflammation, headache, depression and/or anxiety, high blood pressure, insomnia or difficulty sleeping. Lavender essential oil has many other uses, too. Antifungal, use it to treat skin and nail infections. Antiseptic, cleans skin of germs and other microorganisms. Antibacterial, destroys and suppresses bacterial growth. Anti-inflammatory, reduces inflammation in several parts of the body. Antimicrobial, kills or inhibits dangerous microorganisms. Antispasmodic, relieves spasms, muscles. Analgesic, relieves pain. Detoxifier, cleanses blood, purifies liver, kidneys. Here's how to make lavender lemonade and refresh your taste buds. It has a sweet and tart taste, and honey gives it a sweet hint. Drink it throughout the day, and enjoy its magnificent effect. Ingredients: 1 cup raw honey, 12 cups pure water, 1 drop lavender essential oil, 6 lemons. Lavender sprigs for garnish, optional. Preparation: peel and juice 6 lemons. Combine the ingredients together, and adjust the taste to your liking.